Okay. So hello everyone. So this is our first California ecosystem. We call it Alpine Fellfield. It's a field that running through the Rocky Mountains, and the trait of this field is known by the very high altitude, and because of this, a very high wind speed over there, and also because it's a high latitude, it has a very low temperature over there, and the ecosystem causes the soil to be very barren. There's a lack of nutrition inside. So the mainly trait of this ecosystem is very high winds during the summer hours and very cold temperature during the winter hours, with all year round low nutrition contained soils.
So all the plants here are all low growing and then they're all flat, and there are lots of rocks near to the plants because rocks they can get a protection from harsh condition, and there's a diversity, but they're all adapted in the same way.
As we can see with this plant, it's a very low growing plant it's adapted to the climate, the Alpine climate region, and it's low growing so it can be protected from the wind, and it's very flexible with its branches and leaves, and so it can flow in the wind. And it's protected by the rocks.
In the Australasia area, we can see a very wide range of biodiversity. This is due to the different climates that are in Australasia. So there are more tropical areas which have more humid, hot, wet environments. And then there's also more alpine areas, which is where you can see similarities to the Alpine Fellfield with more low-growing plants. This area has a lot of different climate adaptations depending on where in Australasia the plant is found. So it's similar to the other Alpine Fellfield area. We can see that these plants are low growing and near rocks, which indicates they're likely in alpine areas. And we can also see taller trees and taller plants, which are likely found in tropical climates and more island areas, such as New Zealand.
Our plant, Veronica pemeloides, is most likely in an alpine region, and you can tell that by the low growing structure of it at an angle close to the ground to protect it from the wind, and the rocks also protect it from the harsh environments, and the small leaves also they make sure that the plant doesn't get damaged.